Good afternoon, everyone, and I hope that all of you doing well and having a really good time. And it is shiny day, which nice breeze is blowing. And today I will talk about how can I practice English. And if you have passion for to speak in English, then you can improve. At this moment, I am walking on the field in the field, and I have a passion to speak English. And when I get free time, I describe anything what around me. I just describe it because I know that I have no partner, even there is no environment for English speaking. That's why when I get free time, then I practice speaking English in front of the camera. When I practice speaking English in front of the camera, I can get the confidence. Yes, I can do this. I have confidence and I have capability to speak English. At this moment, I am in the field, and you know that there is a lot of benefit about field. You just describe it about the field because this is the topic. I choose this topic. I speak about the field, so you can see this is the gigantic field. Even lot of incident at this time happening here. The cow is grazing, some people, not people, the boys are playing, and there are lot of houses around the field. And this is the perfect place for those people who are living around the field. When they get free time at the morning time, they are come here to practice physical exercise. Even at the late afternoon time, the people came here, the boys came here, they practice, they playing games like cricket, football. And in this way, I just describe anything and I improve my speaking English. Even you can see the people are, some people are cycling, and you just describe it, and you know that this is your journey. If you have passion, then you can improve, otherwise it is very difficult. And I always try to practice speaking English in front of the camera. So when I speak in front of the camera, then I can get the confidence. Yes, I have capability. And when I heard the sound, when I heard my own voice, then I can improve the pronunciation. Sometimes I make lot of mistakes about pronunciation and even the grammatical error, but I don't care about the grammatical error. At this time I need fluency. When I have fluency, then I work on the grammatical rules. At the initial stage, in the beginning, at the beginning level, I just try to speak English and I just describe it what happening around me. And in this way I am trying to improve my speaking English, and I know that this is my journey. If I want to speak English, and I have to practice in the real life situation, in the camera, in front of the camera, because there is no environment, even I have no partner, and still I am improving, but it takes long time and I have a passion. Sometimes I practice a lot but I can't speak in front of the camera, then I feel depressed, I cannot do it. Then I motivate myself. Yes, if I want to speak English, then I need passion, I need practice, then I can improve my speaking English. And if you have passion, then you can improve. And you can see this is the gigantic field, and I choose this type of place because this type of place at the same time lot of incident happening here. That's why it is make me feel happy, and it is make me feel confident, and it is boost my confidence to speak English in front of the camera. That's why I am record this video and improve my speaking English. If you have passion, if you want to speak English, you have to practice, then you can improve, otherwise it is very difficult. Thank you, bye, tata.